Whether it rains or shines, I love to wander the woods and come across cavities such as this one.
Hello, are there any bees in there?
I don't know what attracted me to the bees, but I'm glad I am. I was a man filled with fear and anxiety until I came across a fascinating tradition called telling the bees. The bees' ability to bridge the natural world with the afterlife. One method of telling the bees was to drape the hive with a mourning cloth, and the male head of the household approached the hive, knocking gently upon the hive until the bees' attention was thus secured, and then saying in a low voice that such or such a person was dead. It was believed that should the bees fail to be told of a death in the family, serious calamity would follow not only for the family in question, but also for any person who was to buy the hive or its honey. One record from Norfolk tells of a family who bought a hive of bees at auction from a farmer who had recently died, and because the bees had not been put into mourning for their late master, they were sickly and not likely to thrive. However, when the new owners tied a piece of mourning cloth to a stick and attached it to the hive, the bees soon recovered, an outcome that was unhesitatingly attributed to their having put into mourning. That's why I enjoy spending time with the bees. I'll talk to them like an old man. Eventually I came to realize that worry didn't prevent tomorrow's troubles, it just robbed me of today's joy. As the saying goes, worry is the interest you pay on a debt you may not even owe. Sometimes we get caught up in our daily lives that we forget to take the time out to enjoy beauty in life. It's like we're zombies. Look up and take your eyes off your phone or your tablet. Say hi to someone you see and maybe give a hug to someone who looks like they're hurting. And do you know which philosopher said that? Keanu Reeves.